What is up, you guys? It is that time again when Victorinox releases their limited edition Alox. So here is 2025. The color is stone red. Stone red 2025. Let's take a look here. Now I've got the classic down here to compare some colors with. So here's the red from 2018, and here's the stone red next to the pink and naranja orange. It's not a bad color. Is it my favorite color? No. But it has its place in the color wheel. It's kind of a Pepto pink with a little more red. So Pepto red. All right, 2025. See you guys next year. Peace.